Hello, this is Pradeep from Sizzlecious with black chickpeas chaat recipe. Does your mouth drool as soon as you hear the word chaat? If you like to eat chaat, then this chana chaat recipe is perfect for you. This tasty chaat made of black chickpeas is full of protein, fiber and potassium. Black chickpeas are full of health and nutrients. They contain abundant potassium, dietary fiber, protein, iron and calcium. And yes, it does not contain cholesterol at all. You can serve chana chaat as a tea time snack or party appetizer. So without any further ado, let's start with today's spicy chaat recipe. Soak 1 cup of black chickpeas in water for 4 to 5 hours. Remove all the water from the soaked chickpeas and wash it once more. Boil the soaked chickpeas in a pressure cooker with half tablespoon of salt for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Now drain all the water and pour the chickpeas in a bowl. Take a small bowl and pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of leftover water from the pressure cooker. Now add 1 teaspoon tamarind powder. If you do not have tamarind powder, put pieces of tamarind in hot water for some time and make a paste. If you want, you can also use lemon instead of tamarind. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the tamarind paste and mix them well until sugar dissolves. Take a bowl and add boiled chickpeas to it. Now add KASHMIRI red chili powder and chaat masala and then mix all the spices well with chickpeas. Now add the tamarind paste that we made. Then add finely chopped onions and tomatoes and mix well with chickpeas. Add finely chopped chilies and coriander leaves. If you want to make chana chaat spicier, then you can increase the number of green chilies. Add salt as per taste and keep in mind that chaat masala also contains salt. Therefore, take care of the amount of salt you are adding. This chaat tastes delicious even with the black salt. Now cut the boiled potatoes into small pieces and mix them with chickpeas. Our spicy chaat is ready. If you like save, sprinkle some save on top and serve. That was all for today. See you soon with a new recipe. Take care, stay healthy, eat healthy and keep cleanliness around you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.